Can we buy Tesla now? Tesla has been down so much. Can we buy it now? And actually, today I'm going to give you the insight from the chart. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is trading strategy, money mindset, how you make more, learn more. Hit like, subscribe, share with your friend. So now we look at Tesla. I'm using the normal method to tell you how to read these charts. So the first thing you can see is the Tesla. We have a downward trend. Right now, we just on the upper line here. We just touch it. And when they try to go above, there's a long upper way. I mean, they kind of struggle to go above it. But can we buy right now? Because actually we did drop below the previous peak, at the previous low. And I told you, this stock better to stay above the previous low. Okay, and we did drop below. And can we buy now? Do we have opportunity here right now? So I'm going to show you with my indicator to tell you, hey, we are getting close, or are we already there? Another thing, when we have a downward trend, okay, this we have a big opportunity because once we go above that, we have a big raise. Okay, so basically, what depends is a downtrend or uptrend, but once we go above it, we will have one wave to go up. So this is a very good news for Tesla. And now, main question, can we buy right now? I'm going to show you my exclusive indicator first, called YM Club Long, the blue line. The blue line tell you what is the trend right now. Okay, forget about this channel. Okay, we talking about the blue line. The blue line is downward. What does it mean? This is still a downward trend. This is still a downward trend. I'm going to hide this so you have a better picture to see. We don't have an up signal yet. And now we did go above the blue. So this is a very good news because when we before the blue go upward, we have to go above the blue first, right? Does it make sense? Because the price make the trend. If the price always stay low, it can never bring upward. Okay, number one. So we are still in the upward trend. Even we have a rebound. How to see a rebound is the red line. The red line is still going downward, my friend. So it means short term, regular term, long term, we are still in the downward trend. This is my favorite stock. Okay, I always say Tesla, Tesla, Tesla over these few years. But can we buy right now? Okay, so right now we have a gap here. Something you need to be aware. The gap, the upper point of the gap, which is 392.31, is the resistance. We need to go above it. Otherwise, they will still like a ceiling. Another thing I want to show you, is it possible we're getting close to the bottom or the wave of the bottom, wave bottom, okay? Because actually YM chippers, they are not doing really bad recently. Look at here. Because this go above the purple line already, this purple line, it means the institution holding is increasing, number one. Number two, when this purple line go upward, we have a very, very good uh, direction for Tesla. It means they will go up. It means the institution holding is up. Okay. If we look back the history, I show you my indicator show you a down here, a down here, and basically you can see they drop below the blue. This is a sell point. They drop below the red. This is also a point to reduce it or you sell it. Okay, and since then you can see the purple line here, which is the institution holding. They're decreasing very stably, right? Recently, this seems getting flat, right? Hopefully they go upward soon and then we will start the race. Another thing, we have institution come in, but can we buy right now? The answer is, look at here. The institution, we did go above the red, we did go above the blue, but the institution, not institution, sorry, the YM big buy, big volume trader, they're trying to go above zero. But is it done yet? Look at here. Not yet. We are still trying. So it means the first thing, if you let's say if you buy Tesla now or this few days, we will expect like first, this is not a trend reversal. Not yet. The blue is still going downward. Second, if you buy now and they will come back down. Every single time saying when we holding a stock, when they go above the blue, so the blue is like U shape or V shape. Okay, I'm going to show you in the history. Let's say you look at this one. When they go above the blue here, as long as the blue is still going here and here, as long as the blue is still going downward, they will come back down to touch the blue. And this is the best buy point. This, right? So it means here, they will go, it's possible they go up and then they come back down to the blue point. Okay, the blue will change the direction. It will take time for the blue change the direction. So something we need to be aware. If first, do we have buy signal yet? The answer not really, this not yet, right? We need few signal. Either they go above blue or red, and ym big buy and ym cheapest. This go above the purple line, this bingo. This go above zero, and this not yet go above zero. Okay, so remember, so far Tesla is still short-term trade. If you're trading this, you use red line because the blue is still going downward. Does it make sense? Okay, so another thing I want to look at weekly chart. First thing to look at, do we have institution come in? The answer is no. The answer is no. Unlike before, we have institution come in here, right? And the red is still going downward. I told you before, when the red going downward, this means this trend, we are still downward trend. This is weekly chart, so there's no fall signal. We trade with the red. So you're selling here is for long-term investor, there's no buy point yet. Not yet. We are waiting for a safe buy point. They're not even go above the red line yet. Okay, so this is Tesla update. I hope you like this video. Now have a look of the monthly chart. I always have something after I say that. So you see here. So basically we have a course here, but I don't care the pattern. I use my indicator. First thing, we go under the red. Yes, the red is slowing down. I'm not saying they will drop right away. I'm not saying they will go to the blue. But is it possible? Yes. But I want you to trade with signal, not prediction. First thing we look, the price go up, but the big volume trade is decreasing. It means they're not buying. They tend not to buy too much. Okay, so something you need to be aware. And number two, the red direction. Is it getting flat or going down? This is different, going flat or going down. If going down, they will push very fast. If going flat, it would be sideways. So I want, when I open this channel, I want to provide a safe trading way or a safe investment way for you guys. And monthly chart is for investment. Trading, we go to weekly chart, daily chart. Why? What is the difference? Investment is tends to hold for long term. For example, from here to here. You make good profit, but over the long term. You don't need to trade over time. Now, is it for investment? The answer is not, because the red is not yet turning the direction to upward. Okay. Number two, any wave we can trade or swing we can trade. The answer is look at here. For the weekly chart, no. But do we have something for the daily chart? I think is the answer is half. So it's up to how ambitious you are. If you ask me, I'm not buying this moment because this is not yet confirmed. If you look at YM big buy, maybe they get a bit more when they close to the closing hour. If they go up again, maybe they have a chance they pull this up. But this moment, not yet. Okay, and we don't have a purple candle here, so there's no oversold. We do have this bunch of institution come in. It means institution they buy here. Some people ask me, how come institution not buying at one point? First, there are many institutions in this world. Second, they have a lot of money. They don't want to alert individual. So basically they will spread out each lot and then they will separate the lot to buy. Does it make sense? They're not buying at one point. Okay. So another thing is if you use this method to buy, so I told you the longest candle or the first candle, right? Right now, we did go above the first green candle here. We did. So we need to wait to close. But the money, this is critical because this, I want this to confirm, then we can buy. If not, we don't have a buy signal. Okay, so is it very clear? So if you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you next video. Bye.